What if I told you that OpenAI has a coding agent that can write entire features, fix bugs, and even create a pull request for you? Well, they do. And today we are breaking down everything you need to know about OpenAI's new Codex agent. In this video, we'll explore what this new tool can do and how it differs from other AI coding assistants and whether it's worth your attention as a developer. OpenAI recently launched their cloud-based software engineering agent called Codex. Now, before you start thinking this is another Cursor or Windsor competitor, let me stop you right there. This is something entirely different. Codex operates more like having a remote software engineer working on your code base. You give it tasks in natural language and it goes off to complete them independently, taking anywhere from 1 to 30 minutes depending on the complexity. Here's where it gets interesting. Codex integrates directly with your GitHub repositories. You simply select the branch you want to work with and then you can communicate with the agent using plain English. This system gives you full visibility into your project. You can see open pull requests, merged requests, and all the associated changes and diffs. It's like having a dashboard view of your entire development workflow. Under the hood, Codex is powered by what OpenAI calls Codex 1, which is actually based on their most powerful O3 model. The key difference is that this version has been specifically optimized for software engineering tasks using reinforcement learning on real world coding scenarios. What makes Codex unique is how it mirrors human software engineering practices. When you assign it a task, it spins up in its own isolated environment with access to your complete code base, including environment variables. The agent can read and edit files, access to terminal to run commands, execute test suites, and even run tests it generates itself. Think of it as having a junior developer who never gets tired and can work on multiple tasks simultaneously. Each task run independently. So you can actually assign multiple coding tasks at once. It's like having several developers working on different parts of your project in parallel. Once Codex completes a task, it doesn't just dump code and disappear. It commits the changes to the environment and provides what OpenAI calls verifiable evidence of its actions. This includes terminal logs and test outputs. So you can see exactly what it did and verify that everything works. But here's the really neat part. Codex can open pull requests directly from the platform. This means you get a complete development workflow from task assignment to code review, all facilitated by AI. OpenAI thought about the practical aspects of integrating with real development teams. You can create an agents.md file in your repository root. Think of it like README file, specifically for guiding the AI agent. This file lets you specify how Codex should navigate your codebase, which commands to run for testing, and how to adhere to your project's coding standards. It's similar to Cursor rules if you have used Cursor before, but specifically designed for this autonomous agent approach. According to OpenAI's benchmarks, Codex 1 is currently state of the art on the Sway bench, verified benchmarks. What's particularly impressive is its one-shot performance. It tends to get things right on the first try more often than other models. While other models might catch up with multiple attempts, Codex's ability to nail tasks on the first go makes it particularly valuable for production environments where you want reliable, predictable results. Currently, Codex is rolling out to ChatGPT Pro Enterprise and Team users, with Plus and education users getting access soon. It's also accessible through the ChatGPT mobile app, which opens up some interesting use cases. Imagine you're on a call and need to quickly investigate an issue. You could paste a stack trace into Codex from your phone and have it start analyzing the problem before you even get to your computer. This represents a significant shift in how we might approach software development. Instead of AI being integrated into your IDEs as assistants, we are moving toward AI agents that can work independently on substantial coding tasks. OpenAI Codex represents a fascinating evolution of AI powered development tools. While it's not replacing your day to day coding environment, it offers something unique: the ability to delegate substantial coding tasks to an AI agent that works like a remote team member. The question isn't whether this will change how we code, but how quickly we'll adapt to working alongside these autonomous coding agents. What do you think about this shift toward autonomous coding agents? Are you excited about the possibilities? Or do you have any concerns? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech deep dives.